Hey guys, today let's learn how to use Google Forms to create a survey questionnaire. So basically, if you don't know how to create a survey questionnaire using Google Forms, I'm going to show you how to do just that in this video. All we need to do is just head on over and access Google Forms through our Google account. Now, since I do have this Google enabled browser over here, it's going to be pretty easy for me to just access our Google Forms onto the 3 or the dice symbol onto here, which is the Google app. So go ahead and just click on that, click on Google Forms. These templates that you could actually substitute and change other. So if you want to go ahead and create your own, if you want to create from blank, you could also do that. But there are some templates over here that you could actually use, like a questionnaire, like something like that. Or if you want, you could go ahead and just use this assessment, which is somewhat like a questionnaire. So you just go ahead and click on that. And then of course, by doing this, it's going to give you a very much more easier stuff. Just go ahead and just edit this. As you can see, we do have some questions already, and as well as this other stuff. So basically, you do need a name and as well as the email to actually track who they are. You could also change the name of this by clicking on that field and changing it by typing. You could also check on the description and change that as well. And you could also do the same as well with the questions. So you could also change this questions and edit this to whatever question you'd like. Go ahead and subscribe already, guys. And of course, you could also do that the same with these other questions and also add some more questions if you'd like to, using the plus icon right here to add a question. And then that is how you add some questions on Google Forms. And then of course, if you want to send this on to your specific recipients, all we need to do in order to do that is to head on over on the send option. And as you can see, we have this option to send it via embed it via link, or embed it to HTML. And thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.